Welcome to 3D Experience. Did you know every seat of SOLIDWORKS is now accompanied with online storage for your SOLIDWORKS files? You've likely seen Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive. We're now introducing 3DDrive on 3D Experience. It comes with more storage capacity than the introductory levels of Dropbox, OneDrive, and Google Drive combined. You can upload files, create folders, and even create and edit native Microsoft documents. This is a collaborative environment that can be edited simultaneously by different teammates. To get started, simply log in and click the compass and click on 3Drive. If this is your first time logging in, I recommend contacting your SOLIDWORKS reseller for guidance before diving in. Files can be added through drag and drop. SOLIDWORKS files can be instantly viewed and manipulated, measured, and commented on, even by people outside your organization, and those that have no prior 3D experience. To share files, first make sure sharing is allowed by your platform administrator. Pause here if you need to come back to this. Then select the file and hit Share. Choose Share with External and activate the external sharing link. You can adjust the settings and paste this link in your email or Teams channel wherever you want. From within SOLIDWORKS, you can save to 3Drive also. Now, I have to recommend that you first check out collaborative spaces for data management, which are outlined in an attached video. And that's what you'll get if you choose Save to 3D Experience. To replicate functionality like Dropbox, you'll use 3Drive, conveniently located in the 3D Experience task pane. Install a connector from the 3Drive window. Then you'll see a 3Drive folder in your normal Windows directory. You can select this folder and even make subfolders, and this can be your central file location for your entire team if you give them access. If you want to see more of what 3Drive can do for your SOLIDWORKS file sharing, check out the Lifecycle and Collaboration tab, which automates the share and markup functions of 3Drive and collaboration with external members. It creates an easy interface for saving to your 3Drive and activating the external sharing link. Lastly, if you have data on any of these other platforms, you can connect them simply by signing in here. All of your data available in one space. This has been an overview of 3Drive, which powers the new share and markup functions of SOLIDWORKS. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at hawkridgesys.com.